To transfer funds from Bitmart to CPEN, follow this step-by-step guide. First, you need to have a Bitmart account and a CPEN account. If you don't have either, create them and complete the verification process. Next, log into your Bitmart account and navigate to the Wallets section. Here you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Click on the Withdraw button next to the selected cryptocurrency. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is your CPEN wallet address. Make sure to copy and paste the address correctly to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the network fee. The network fee is the fee charged by the blockchain network for processing the transaction. Review the transaction details carefully and confirm the withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation email or notification once the transaction is processed. On the CPEN side, log into your account and navigate to the Wallets section. Click on the Deposit button next to the cryptocurrency you transferred from Bitmart. You will see the transaction pending in your CPEN wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will be credited to your CPEN wallet. This may take a few minutes to several hours, depending on the blockchain network congestion. It is essential to note that each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. So make sure to use the correct address for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. Also, be aware of the minimum withdrawal amount and the withdrawal fees charged by Bitmart. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer funds from Bitmart to CPEN. Always double-check the transaction details and use the correct wallet address to avoid any errors or losses.